Hey guys, my name is Junel Eviliada. I'm a farmer from Benguet, Philippines. So I plant vegetables and strawberries. So from my last video, I posted a video of cabbage tutorial on how to prepare the seed bed, but in Tagalog or in Filipino. So I received a comment that suggesting me to put a subtitle on it because they can't understand. So here it is. I will try my best to speak in English. Putting subtitle takes a lot of work, so I will try my best to explain in English. So please excuse my grammar. I know that I'm poor in English, so just try to understand, guys. So in my past video, I talked about the Lucky Ball variety. That's the one that we chose to plant this season. So this is a sample of Lucky Ball variety. This is a hybrid cabbage of Japan. So let us first see or review our past video on how we prepared the seed bed. So this is a 1-month-old Lucky Ball seedlings. So the one that we have prepared is at the back. If you can see that one, we already put some net over it. So let's go back to the video. Okay guys, so this is the seed that we are going to plant this season. So this is a hybrid cabbage Lucky Ball variety by Kaniko Seeds Ltd of Gunma, Japan. So this cabbage can be harvested 55 to 60 days from transplant. So prior to transplant, we must prepare 8 weeks or 2 months before transplant. So this variety can tolerate warm weather. That's the good thing about this variety. So we are in a tropical country. We only experience here rainy season and dry season. So here in Benguet, our temperature here ranges from 6 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius during rainy season. And during summer, we can range up to 30 degrees Celsius. Our potato now is 2 months old. We can harvest our potato after 2 months, so we will replant it with this cabbage. So let's go and prepare this one. Okay, so this is the can of the seed. As you can see, it is a 50 grams. So one can produce 2,000 kilograms if all the seedlings will grow. 8 weeks prior to transplant, we need to prepare the seeds. We need to cultivate a fresh, unused soil. This ensures the health of the soil. Using an old soil may transfer diseases and other pests to your seedlings. That's the reason we are using unused and fresh soil. Second, we need to spread a chicken manure fertilizer, compost chicken manure. This is a good source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The next step is to spread an agricultural lime. This is a good source of calcium carbonate. This regulates the acidity and pH of the soil. This serves as soil conditioner. Mix the soil, the lime, and the fertilizer. Let it stay for 10 days. Water it thoroughly if there is no rain. After 10 days, we can sow the seeds. We are going to sow the seeds today. What we are going to need is a nematicide. This will serve as a systemic insecticide to kill the parasite and the insects of the soil in the fertilizer. This will prevent the insects from eating the roots of our seeds. Second thing that we need to apply is the insecticide, liquid insecticide. So we will irrigate this one to the soil, so it will also kill the present insects. So So these are the materials that we're going to prepare before finally sowing the seeds. So we'll incorporate this one into the soil, we will mix it, and afterwards we will going to spray this through a knapsack sprayer. That's the materials that we're going to use. So we will stand by first our liquid insecticide. So for now, we will first incorporate our nematicide. Before spreading our nematicide, we must first recultivate the seed bed to soften the soil. Incorporate nematicide with the soil. After spreading, mix with the soil and the fertilizer. After mixing, flatten the surface to make it uniform and even. Spray the liquid insecticide. Make sure that it enters the soil. Leave the area for at least 1 hour.
A few moments later.
Now we can sow or spread the seeds. Spread it uniformly. Choose a topsoil for top dressing. Top dress the seeds with thin layer of soil. Cover it with recycled sack. This will serve as protection from heavy rain. Put some weight at the edge of the sack to secure it from wind. So we are here at the other area. So the same process that we are going to do. We are going to put some nematicide and spray the insecticide. We'll sow the seedlings. So that's it, guys. That's how we did the process of land preparation and sowing of seeds. So the materials that we used are compost fertilizer, chicken manure. The second, the agricultural lime, nematicide. The third is the liquid insecticide. And the fourth is of course the seed. Let me just give you a background of the products that we used earlier. This is our liquid insecticide. Maybe this brand name is not available in your country, but the active ingredient of this is chlorpyrifos and aromatic hydrocarbon. That's the active ingredient of this liquid insecticide. So we used this to irrigate the soil to kill the insects that are present before sowing the seeds. And the second is the Puradan. This is a nematicide. This is carbofuran. The active ingredient of this is carbofuran. So that's the ingredient that you are going to search. If you are going to search for some products, look for carbofuran. So this is a contact and systemic insecticide and as well as nematicide. So we use this to kill the insects and parasites that may eat the roots of our seeds. So that's it. That's the materials that we use. And finally, our seed. This is the Lucky Ball variety by Kaniko Seeds from Gunma, Japan. We will just put some extra protection on our seeds here. We will put some net over, so we will tunnel it with net, so it will protect it from heavy rain. And we will just remove the cover after 5 days maybe, and you will Okay guys, we're just done fixing the nets, so what we are going to do now is just to wait for the seeds to come out. Maybe 4 to 5 days we will remove the cover, so we don't need to water our seeds because it's rainy season here in the Philippines, so we'll just wait for the rain to pour. Okay guys, so this is the result of our seeds after sowing 5 days. So we are here at the first area. So far there was no problem. The only problem that we encounter here is, see here, if you can see that one, those are footprints of a cat. So make sure to put some fence on your seeds. That's the thing that we forgot. As you can see, the seeds already came out. So after 8 weeks, these are ready to be transplanted. So make sure to subscribe on our channel to get updated on the transplant. So when doing this during summer season or dry season, make sure to water your seeds with sprinkler, not to put pressure on the seeds. So in our case, we don't need to water our seeds here because it's rainy season here in the Philippines. So we will just maintain the spray of fungicide and insecticide. So that's it guys. I will just link some products below the description. Maybe that will help you choose the products that you want to use on your seedlings. So that's it guys. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this page to get updated on the transplant. So I will see you on the transplant. Thank you very much guys for watching. Like and share. Thank you very much.